To start your SketchUp for your smartphone speaker, you're going to start by doing a, either you can say start modeling or create new. Once you've selected that, you're going to open up the document and you are going to save it. Save it to your drive, give it a name. You can write smartphone speaker or tech ed project. You could select a place to put it, but I'm going to select smartphone speaker. I'm going to save it here. Now it'll start with this person here, and this is to show you the size, which you should be familiar with. You can delete that person to start off with. Just highlight, select, and hit the delete key. Then you're going to want to go over to your toolbar on the side, and you're going to go down to the one that says components. So you're going to select the one that says components, and it'll say search 3D warehouse. You're going to want to search for red solo cup. Hit enter. And you're not going to want to use the first one because it's not the right size, but the second one here. This is the one you're going to want to use, the one that's on its side. You're going to select it, drag it into your document, and place it. Okay? Then you can close your Components tab, and you'll see it's far away and we have to zoom in. And what you can do to zoom in, you can go over to your view, and you can do this button down here, which is Zoom Extents, which allows you to zoom all the way in to it. Now this might be a little too close, so I can just use my keyboard to make it go out a little bit. The next thing you're going to do is select this Move tool, and you're going to want to select Scale. That highlights the whole thing, and you should be able to see all the different points of the cup. And we're going to want to adjust our scale here. Okay, so we're going to select it because our cup is still too big, and you'll see it says scale in the corner as 1.0. Oh, hang on, let me make this a little bigger, one sec. And okay, so we're going to select our scale tool. As I was saying, you're going to click on one of the corners. And what you're going to want to do for the scale down here where it says it in the corner down here, you're going to select the corner box and you're going to click 0.5 and hit enter. So you type in 0.5, enter, and that will resize your cup to half the original size. From there, you're going to want to select all. So select it, hit Command C, then Command V. What this does is it copies the cup and it will give us a second one that we can line up with our original. Okay? Then we can use this tool to zoom around and see our cups from a different angle. Okay? So at this point we have our two cups, which are going to act as our amplification for our sound for our smartphone. And then we're going to connect those pieces.